Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to Everybody Loves Jay, where I storytime the hell out of your day. But tonight it's going to be a little different. Tonight, we're actually going to do a trending video. And who could forget my first ever trend on Twitter that blew up? He's too broke for you, girl. Haha! Actually going to help out a lot of girls. Because everywhere I go, like a mall, school, you name it. Basically anywhere. 99-cent store, you name it. All you see is beautiful women with the best bodies, best hair, you name it, with the ugliest, poorest guys. And I mean, literally, I've seen it in front of my eyes. I'm sure a lot of men out there can actually be on my side on this one. And let's be real. I mean, think about it. All you hear is, oh, well, it doesn't matter how much money he has. Oh my God, just date him. Go ahead, just date him. Like, yeah, he's broke, but oh well, like, money doesn't matter. Oh, it's the love that counts. Whoever told you that is flat out broke. So you're going to hear it from an actual rich guy. So anyway, we'll start with the first one. Okay, like this one. For example, here's the first trend that you've probably seen on Twitter, but I'm actually going to do it on camera. Number one, if he shops at a swap meet, he's too broke for you, girl. If he has a Metro PCS phone, I'm sorry, he's too broke for you, girl. If he has to spend his financial aid money on drugs, tattoos, beer, yeah, he's too broke for you, girl. If he has to ask his mom for money, like for beer, cigarettes, things like that, wow, I don't even know why you're wasting your time. He's too broke for you, girl. Yeah, mama, I'll pay you back, I promise. I'll pay you back, yeah. Yeah, I get paid this Friday. If you guys go out on a date and he's out of gas money and he makes you pay for gas, yeah, I don't think that date's gonna go well. He's too broke for you, girl. If you guys are actually at the date, having dinner and all that, and he makes you pay when the bill gets there, right there, yeah, he's too broke for you, girl.